So another frequently asked question is, this sounds too good to be true. How do I know this will work? Well, if you go to the landgeek.com/student-success, you can see all the testimonials. We have tons of videos. We have tons of proof that this does work. But how do we know it's going to work? Well, I've been doing this full-time since 2001. My company, Frontier Equity Properties, has grown every single year, except 2010 and 2011. We took a huge dip, and I write about this in Dirt Rich. We came back in 2012. That being said, the company was still profitable. I just had to, cut down my actual personal overhead to sustain myself. So I think it's a really interesting question. Is this too good to be true? And I think that you really need to talk to other people to know that it's not too good to be true, because again, just hearing it from me is self-serving. You have to go to somebody else to hear it from their mouth that this really works. I've been doing it for this long. And, Mark's not kidding when there's an inefficient market out there and we're making 300 to 1,000% returns. But is this too good to be true is a frequently asked question, but that's not the question you should have asked. Click the link below to see the question you should have asked.